Got a 2007 Acura TSX. It's tripping a code for a knock sensor, bank 1. Found some videos on YouTube where it was located. It's under this intake. 210 millimeters here. Pull that cover off. Show you once I get it off. I believe there's 12 millimeters under that. A bracket down here. Get to the knock sensor. Let me get this cover off and I'll show you. Once you get those 210 millimeters off there, remove that cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Get this line out of the way as well. Get that out of the way. This line here, you can just pull that clip off, get it out of your way, spin it up. Just so you can get back to that one there. You can leave everything else connected. Like I said, 12 millimeter. Get these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 down here. Get those out. Then it'll come right out. Oh, bracket down here. I'll show you. Well, I got the 5 bolts out and got a vacuum line right down there. You'll have to disconnect that one. But the bracket that was holding down there I kept talking about, somebody must have been here before because the bracket's not even connected. But we're about to get it pulled back up. Well, this isn't my car. Well, it is now. I just bought this vehicle. They said I had a brand new starter on it. Had a check engine light for a knock sensor. I cleared it and it came right back on. Let me see if y'all can see in here. That's where the knock sensor's at, right? That's it. It's not even plugged in. The prong is bent down. Get this out of the way so y'all can see. Oh. You see that? That's the knock sensor right there. Ow! Just burned my hand. It's got a new starter. The plug right there, this is the plug for the knock sensor. Wasn't even plugged in. It was just dangling down. So I'm not even gonna put the knock sensor on. I'm gonna bend the prong back out and see what it does. Well, I thought I was just gonna be able to plug it in, but whoever had been working on this broke her clean off. So I gotta go get a new one. Had to get the new sensor, got it all put back together. Running good. Get back, boy. No more check engine light. I was wondering, I'm like, this damn radiator, shit's awfully loose. So I was thinking, after whoever was been working on it, let me just check. So I pulled this up, check these. They're hand tight. Hand tight. Let me tighten those up. Got it back running good, no check engine light. They need to address that next. But that's how you change a knock sensor on a 07 Acura TSX.